Do you want to know how pandemic has changed the employment industry dynamics completely? Or do you want to know how does impact on your career will happen post pandemic? Then this podcast is for you. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Ravindra Pawar here. Thank you so much for listening this podcast. As a talent acquisition professional turned job search expert, today I am going to share with you few industry insights that will help you to take better decisions in your career during and post pandemic. So let's dive in. Tuesday, 24th March 2020. India went under a lockdown. Till then, lockdown was not new for the world. However, it was completely a new thing for all of us. A country with more than 29 states, 7 union territories, and more than 1.3 billion population. This entire exercise of putting everyone in isolation was a major decision, and this has impacted the GDP of our country like never before. However, this was not a decision which was avoided as on 24th March 2020. But this has changed the entire dynamics of the employment industry going ahead. How? Let's see the impacts. Number one impact is transition on the talent. As quoted by Warren Buffett, uh, stock market is a place of transferring money from a less patient investor to the high patience investor. Likewise, I feel pandemic is the time to transfer talent from a low value oriented organization to a high value oriented organization. This also means those organizations which were not having their principles or values strongly rooted will face the talent crunch going ahead. Number two impact will be embracing the change. India is one of those developing countries where work from home culture was not new but was very seldom. However, going ahead, you'll see companies will embrace this change more often and there will be specific positions will be created to work from home. Now you might be wondering how does this will happen? This will help organizations. This will help organizations in two ways. They will incur less infra cost. At the same time, there will be a focus approach on a productivity and a results. Number three impact is about swinging of tables. In last 20 years, India has seen a war for talent, and now due to pandemic and heavy layoffs, there will be a demand and supply. There will be a demand and supply in a inverse way as compared to last 20 years, which means there will be a huge talent pool being unemployed. At the same time, there will be a few companies which will be hiring now. Uh, how you need to handle this situation is by continuously upgrading yourself with the knowledge and value you can bring onto the table. Number fourth impact is basically about iceberg theory. Now, due to rise in supply of talent in market, there will be more control in the hiring from an employer's end, and companies will not be searching new talent more in a traditional way, like posting a job on a job portal or employee referrals. In fact, they will prefer proactive employees who can hunt for a job instead of applying for a job. This is one metric which will company will use to gauge how good you are in terms of problem solving. Now the question is, how can you handle this impact? Is simple, by continuously upgrading yourself. Don't think learning as an expense. Consider this as an investment or fuel towards your growth. Remember, if you're not upgrading, you are actually downgrading. Thank you so much for listening this podcast. This is Ravindra Pawar here, signing up for today. Cheers. Thank you.